Have you always wanted to learn how to do a quick smoky look, but without the eyeshadow, without the hassle of using an eyeshadow? Well, if you have, well, this is the video for you. In this video, I will show you how I did this quick smoky look just by using these crayon eyeliners. These are from Prestige Cosmetics. So I have the green one, I have the black, the blue, and the brown. For today's video, I used the blue and the black. And I just wanted to show you first how they perform when you swatch them in your hands. When you apply, it just glides on so easily and it's long lasting. I'll show you the blue as well. I like the green. The green is really calling me. Maybe I'll do another video. So I've done this. And last is the brown one. Yeah, you see how they apply so nice and smooth. But the thing is, as soon as you apply them on your eyelid, they tend to dry out, so you need to act quick and smudge it out the way you want. Again, if you're interested to know how I achieved this quick look, then please keep on watching. Thank you. Done my base makeup and I've done my eyebrows. Now I'll go straight to this. This is the blue shade of the Prestige Cosmetics Total Intensity. They call it Fierce Blue. And make sure it's sharpened. There you go. Just sharpened it. And I'll also take my smudge brush. This is from Real Techniques and it's just it has short bristles, which is good for smudging around the eyeliner. Start with the top part. It can be a messy application, that's fine. You have to be careful because it dries really fast, so you have to work fast. Try a little bit and just smudge it. So I'm leaving a little bit here on the near the lashes because I've applied black eyeliner as well, just to give it that extra smoky look. And there you go. And then I'll do the bottom part. Again, it doesn't need to be perfect. Looks like a raccoon right now, but that's okay. Now I'm gonna take the black shade. This is the deepest black, that's what they call the shade, and apply it on my waterline on the top and bottom lashes. Just apply thin liner on the top. Same brush. And that's it. I'll just go to the other eye, apply some lashes to my lips, and I'll be right back. This is the final look. So I applied some mascara and some lashes. The lashes I use are these lashes from NIKKIA Joy Cosmetics, the Wispy set. And yeah, and I just did the lips, trying to go for a pinky nude color, and that's it. I decided to wing it out a little bit, but you don't have to if you don't want to. Advantages of doing this kind of look is that it's quick. Literally took 2 minutes to apply. There's no eyeshadow, so there's no fallout, so you can apply this at any time before or after you do your base, and anyone can do it. You don't have to worry about blending or anything. Just swipe. Messy, doesn't have to be straight. Smudge with a brush, and that is it. So easy. So I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, please let me know, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, and like this video. Really appreciate it. Let me know if you want to see a look with the other two colors, the green and the brown, smoky look, I'll be happy to do it for you. Otherwise, yes, this is it. I hope you enjoyed this very short and quick and fun video, and remember, don't hate, meditate. Bye.